Hey everyone, welcome back to the Depicter channel. In this video, I'll show you how to bring your real Google reviews directly into your website as a beautiful testimonial carousel. Let's imagine we own a pizza shop here in Rome. As you can see, our shop already has plenty of reviews on Google. And here's our website, which currently uses a static fake testimonial section. We're going to replace that with a live, dynamic carousel that automatically pulls in real reviews from Google. Let's get started. First, we'll install and activate Depicter right from our WordPress dashboard. Once Depicter is active, head to the Depicter dashboard. From the Carousel category, open the Google Reviews subcategory and select one of the ready-made carousels. That looks good. Let's import it. At first, no data is showing, and that's because we haven't set up our Google API yet. Let's fix that. From the Data Source tab, open the Settings, and then go to Integration Settings. Here, we need to put our Google API key so Depicter can fetch the reviews. To get one, open Google Cloud Console. Choose an existing project or create a new one. Go to Enabled APIs and Services and activate Places API New. Then, head to Credentials, click on Create Credentials, and select API Key. Copy the generated key, head back to Depicter, paste it here, and save, and that's it. Now our reviews are loading perfectly inside the carousel. On the left sidebar, under Google Review, you'll see all the elements used in this carousel. You can add or remove any of them. From the data source settings, you can search for your business location. Here, I'll select our pizza shop. You can also filter reviews by date range, by minimum star rating, and even preview exactly which reviews will appear. Depicter automatically creates one slide for each review using our selected template. I won't make big design changes for now. First, I'll give the review box a soft gray background from the Layers panel. Then, I'll set the overall carousel background to white. Now, let's publish the carousel. Back on our website, I'll open the page with Elementor. I'll scroll down, delete the old testimonial section, and drag in the Depicter widget. From there, I'll select the Google Reviews carousel we just created and hit Publish. And here we go. Our static testimonial section is now replaced with a live Google Reviews carousel, completely dynamic, beautifully designed, and always up to date with the latest customer feedback. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.